I thought about my high school days for a moment, how I really loved natural sciences, physics, astronomy, but chemistry was something else. Not how I only loved it, I've also felt it. Imagine having the knowledge of structure, properties, and change of matter at molecular level. That was really exciting for me. And for this reason, I've decided to choose chemistry for my major. An even more exciting thing was to use materials that you know at molecular levels in an industrial environment, to consider manufacturing a simple equipment, to develop, produce, and finally see people using what you are processing. Those were the things that made me feel chemistry. I tried to pursue every information I can get in my college years. I spent most of my summer days in laboratories, reaction balloons, beakers. I used all these equipments at small quantities. Now is the time to see much bigger scales in a factory. This is the first time I will see those huge scales. But why did I take my first trip to Boytek? Well, there are lots of reasons for that. A firm that is founded in 1978, leading manufacturer of high-quality unsaturated polyester resins, vinyl ester resins, gel coats, and pigment pastes in the Turkish composite industry. A total of 75,000 tons of production capacity. More than 35 countries in 3 continents use Boytek's products. Boytek exports 30% of its production capacity. By making production and distribution agreements with the world's leading firm in vinyl ester resins, Ashland, Boytek has come to an ambitious position in European markets. In fact, more technical information can be mentioned, but there are other things that really affect me. As the first principle of its vision is being environmental awareness, like establishing its quality policy based on environment, like social responsibility projects. I can talk for hours about these qualities, but now I just want to wander and see. Boytek has 2 production facilities, which are in Tuzla and Çerkezköy. I'm at Çerkezköy now. Let's have a look together. If you really want to produce serviceable products, you should start in R&D. They have greeted me where everything starts. Here I am, in the center of a leading company, a place to work and make better products, and to be able to meet customers' requests in the best possible way. This place is so familiar. I see the equipments I used in college. For instance, measuring the durability of the material that is going to be developed. Examining its contents. Exploring new products at laboratory scale, trying to improve, trying to reach the final desired and imagined product. I really love my job. Our second stop is Quality Control Laboratory, to ensure that the product is the same quality every and each single time, delivering the best possible product to the customer, to respect what you produce, to respect the customer, and by all means to respect human beings. This is impressive. a single laboratory supervising all those big productions. This is what I've been dreaming. It is really thrilling to be here, but now I'm going to a place where I really wonder, to see the large-scale equipments. It is really beautiful. This is what I've been waiting for. Reactors as big as buildings. The place where the reactions I made in 100 milligrams are done in tons. It is incredible. You know, when you do your synthesis and put it in a container in the lab, this is where everything comes to an end. This is where chemistry is put in packages and enter our lives. I don't know if you remember, but I talk about environment policy and awareness. It was nice to see this after I walked around the factory. Here's an example for you. Wastewater disposal, disposed water burning system. At the end, we have to consider the planet that we live in, right? Here are all the phases that chemistry evolves until making an appearance in our lives. To feel the chemistry at molecular level and developing it. To feel the quality of the product that you make and to manage the final outcome. To feel the applications and productions. To feel what you have around you, just like Boytek. Don't just use chemistry, feel it.